to my channel. So today I have a look using the Jaclyn Hill Vault palette, the one with Jaclyn Hill, Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. Can you talk? So today I have a video using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault palette. This is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. I love this palette. There's only one color that I'm not super in love with, but you guys will know later on in the video. Today's video is very simple, just to get ready with me. It's not really long and is really focusing on the eye. So I'm gonna cut this intro really short because I know you guys want to get straight into the video. So before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys know the deal with a damn. Follow me on my Instagram. It's Khadijah Alsagoff, same like my YouTube. I will have it linked in my description box down below. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. I sound so weird, oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. I'm gonna go take the shade Secure with my BH Cosmetics number 101 brush. Oh my god, is this not the usual thing I always say? I'm just going to blend that into my crease, and you just want to continuously blend, build up color as per usual. And then I'm going to go into the shade Agent, and this is sort of a mustardy lighter color, mustard pukey brown, but I'm just going to blend this into my crease with my, I think, Coastal Scents BR250 brush. And then I'm going to go into the shade Smooth Criminal. This shade was so difficult for me to blend into my eyes because the color just would not show up. Like, it was so hard. I tried to apply this dark brown shade like I think a billion times before some color started to show up. Then I'm going to go into the shade Prowl. I'm going to first use a smaller blending brush. This is the Estee Lauder brush. I have talked about it before in like a previous video, but I basically use that to first build up the color and the intensity there. And then I'm going to go back into my Coastal Scents brush just to blend everything in and to make it look all seamless and shit. And then I'm going to go into the shade Excess. Now, this is like a really like a yellow mustard. Okay, this is more yellow mustard, okay? We're just going to use a cleaner brush just to blend on top of all those other shades. And then I'm going to go into the shade Classified. And we're just going to do like a very, the most minimalistic cut crease ever. Okay, and then I'm going to go use my fingers because I think that this eyeshadow especially is better to use with a finger because it's very hardly pressed in. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to clean out the outer corners. And I'm going to be putting on eyeliner. I'm using the Maybelline Hypersharp eyeliner, the one with the purple packaging. And then I'm just going to take my Catrice liquid liner to just basically fill in the gaps that I always do. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX Vivid Bright Yellow Liner. I'm going to first use a brush to basically put on the yellow liner on top. It's okay if it looks messy at first because what we're going to do is we're going to apply that black liner on top again. And this is how the liner with the yellow and the black that will look together. For lashes, these are the AliExpress D28 lashes. I will have it linked in my description box. So moving on to the face, I want to take my Chanel Le Blanc de Chanel primer. This is the dewy luminous one. It is so absolutely stunning on the face. What I don't like is that it does leave like your face looking very white. So I'm really scared that on darker skin tones that it might look very ashy. Just so you know, it does leave like a little bit of a white cast when you put on the primer. But once you put on the foundation, it looks normal. And for foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. I'm going to first blend it in with a like face paint brush. And then later on, I'm going to go in with a beauty blender. It's not a beauty blender, it's a Bow SG blending sponge, but I just call it a beauty blender. And then I'm just going to pounce that into my skin, and I'm just going to do it all over my face to make sure they all blend in really nicely together. And I will have this sponge link in my description box down below as well. I freaking am obsessed with this sponge. For concealer, I'm taking my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium. I am freaking obsessed with this concealer. Everyone knows that. Colourpop No Filter Concealer is my bae. And I cannot wait for Black Friday so I can literally buy like 5. One shot. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I'm going to blend that underneath my eye using the Bow SG sponge again. For my under eye powder, I'm going to take my Coty Airspun loose powder, and I'm just going to use that sponge again. I'm just going to apply that underneath my eyes, on my chin, my nose, as well as my forehead. And then for the rest of my face, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder foundation, and I'm just going to basically pack that all over my skin. So I'm going to now remove excess powder underneath my eyes. If you guys can see me like grooving, I'm like listening to a lot of songs while doing this tutorial, so yeah. For bronzer, I'm taking my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I freaking love this. I cannot wait to finish this so that I can buy the new one in the packaging. Like, I want to buy just for the packaging because like it's so cute. And I'm just going to bronze my whole entire skin with this. And for blush, I'm taking Kylie X Rated blush. Oh my god, I never knew how much I love this blush until this day. Like, it made my skin look flawless. Flawless. It's beautiful. And I'm just gonna blend that into my cheeks up to, like, I want to say my ear, but it's not my ear, it's like the side of my face, because I like that look that when it goes like the swoosh look on your face. And then I'm gonna apply on my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And then for the highlight, I am so extra this day. Oh my god, I'm gonna take my Fenty highlighter in How Many Carats, I think that's what it's called. And this is the first time I've ever used this highlighter, and I was like, oh my god, that's blinding as fuck. It is gorgeous. And then after I use this highlight, I was like, no, this is too white for this yellow one. So I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Look at my face. Just honestly, just look at that. I'm just dying at how beautiful when this two mixes together. It's like your cheeks are basically glowing, like glowing. So for my lower lash line, I'm just going to take the shade Prowl, and I'm just going to apply that and then blend it with Secure, Agent, and Smooth Criminal. And for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. And for my brow bone, I'm just taking my powder, like literally my face powder. For the lips, I was like really contemplating because I didn't know what I want to do. But I decided to go in with Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Trendsetter. And I feel like that lipstick literally makes this whole entire look together. Like, it just gives this like, yes, B. So yeah, after you put on the lipstick, you have completed this look. And let's just move on to the review. So this is the completed look that I used the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. I actually think this is like one of my favorite palettes so far. No, you know what? I hate the shade Smooth Criminal. I had to pack that shit on so much and like nothing was coming out. Oh my god, it's so messy back there. Let me clean that up. Haha, lies. It's still messy. I don't care. I got no time. I'm so late to meet my friend right now. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. This is more of my neutral but like kind of glam. You kind of want to mix it up a little bit. You want to add a little bit more cuteness to it. Some liner. I kind of messed it up on this eye. Because this would not be a video of me messing up something. It is not me. I don't know where that sentence was going to. It's not a Khadijah Alsagoff video if I'm not messing up something. And of course it has to do with the eye. The part that I'm most like perfectionist about. Of course. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys! Mwah!